Okay, let's go.
Hi y'all, I'm Redheaded Neighbor and welcome today to the channel. So I hope you had a great Valentine's Day. I did. I stayed in and I ordered pizza and watched a movie, and yeah, that's what I did. So we are back with some more Robin Trower. I hope I'm saying his name correctly, but I've really enjoyed what I've done in the past, and y'all have come in with some suggestions. So this one has been in my queue for a little while, and yeah, so I knew I needed to do some recording today, so I don't miss out on it. So let's listen to this one. It's off the Long Misty Days album. I mean, and how perfect for today. We had big time thunderstorms last night and early this morning. I was a little worried about my computer, to be honest, but okay, so hopefully Same Rain Falls will knock my socks off just like the others have. Okay, the whole blues undercurrent there, and then there's like that. Of course, you know, rock is based in blues, but it's so rocky, but it definitely has like that bluesy swing to it. It kind of makes me think of ZZ Top. Were they around at the same time, or does Robin predate them? Because I definitely hear. And it even makes me think of some of like that Texas sound. Really nice, like really nice. Yeah, I like the way he said that. It falls on me. I like that because it's true, sir. It is so true. You know, this drummer is going at it back there. Listen. So clever. But here's the thing about this. Every one of his recordings that I've heard so far, I feel like I need to listen to it one time just to hear the guitar, another time just to hear the bass, another time to hear the drums. You know what I mean? And then focus on the lyrics or whatever. Because there is so much sound, like there's so much going on. It reminds me a lot of when I started listening to Rush, that there were just so many big sounds. And for my brain to separate them out, it took a minute. And I feel like, not that it's too much to hear, it's just that everything is so good that I feel like something is going to get overlooked. You know what I mean? Because that's definitely the feeling that I get with groups like this. Is sometimes I feel like, well, obviously I hear the guitar first, and then I'll get to a segment of the song and I'll notice, wait a minute, like I just did, those drums are killing it back there, and I don't feel like I've given them proper love in this. So I need to go back and re-listen to the song. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but there's just, it's like I always say, you learn how to hear different genres. Okay. So this ending part here, for example, I feel like that's a nice little snippet to show you what I was talking about, and the engineering of it, because there's like this one little, I can't do the sounds, but like a that's over here, right? That they had it panning over here, and then another different guitar sound that they have panning over here, and then they complement each other and kind of even things out, but it still grabs your attention, and pulls you here and there. Really, really good. I mean, this is this kind of stuff that makes me think of, that they would have been with like Stevie Ray Vaughan or someone like that at the Armadillo Club, like back in the 70s in Austin, Texas. Oh man. Anyway, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. I hope that you're enjoying Robin Trower, because he is someone I'd never heard of before, and I was unaware of his excellence. And that's one of the things about this platform that I think is really spectacular, is to introduce people to greatness. Whether or not they recognize it, I still feel like it's really nice to have it there presented. You can lead a horse to water, you know what I mean? Anyway, until next time, y'all, I'll see. Oh, I was going to show you. Sock knocked off.